guys, so first thing you see is the bathtub right in the middle of the room. Pretty nice open floor plan. And check this out. You get your own little bar. I believe you. Pretty stocked up fridge. Little beers, water, mixers, sodas. Oh, Kathy's starting off her day with beer.
I am.
They have a room safe. Bunch of hangers, pillows, and blanket. And their closet's pretty big. You have a pretty big luggage there, so it's. And then got a robe, just one robe.
There's two in there.
Okay, maybe. No, looks like just one. No, just one robe. So Kathy gets a robe and I don't.
I'll ask for one.
And then you have their bathroom area where the sinks are. You got dual sinks. And then a walk-in shower. They have the towels inside the shower area. Looks like one of those raindrop shower heads. Feels cool in here. They really set that air conditioner low since it's so humid outside. Nice. You can charge all your equipment. Little seating area. Please put your luggage so you can unpack.
Little area to eat.
Little seating area here. Nice little couch with a table. And then you have your own little patio. It's all private. Some chairs and a table. And our view. Huh? I wouldn't say that that's the greatest view. Oh, but that right there.
Oh my God.
That is nice.
That is a nice view.
Let's zoom in on that. Oh yeah, that's pretty. I'm okay with that.
I love that.
So, hey, we're at the Rio.
We're at the Rio. We love
You
it.
get these, oops.
Bracelets.
You have to wear wristband here. Oh, and just in case you're freaking out when you come in, you're like, the lights won't come on. So you have to put, you have to put your room key inside that little slot in order for all the electricity to work inside the room. I just use the towel key. It doesn't.
I figured it out. You just gotta push a little harder. And it dispenses
1 ounce probably.
probably 1 ounce at a time. Just push up a little harder. There it goes.
Oh my goodness. Mr. Dave, that's a normal shot.
So anyways, cheers to you. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah, you want to go grab a chaser? My beer is kind of warm. Maybe I should go down to the bar.
All right, guys. So thermostat is in Celsius, so 24 degrees Celsius. I would assume that's probably around 60-something degrees. And also down here, it's pretty. I don't understand the Spanish. Gather from the little hieroglyphics from there. So just so you know, you have that slider door open, your air conditioning's gonna get shut off. They do have a ceiling fan in here, so that's nice. That'll kind of cool you off when it's hot. And Kathy, anything else to say? We love this place.
Yeah, log in on the Wi-Fi.
Oh yeah.
Free with Rio.
And in regards to your slider door, you know, usually you have the lock there. It's actually way up here on the top corner. So there's a little thing that you would just push up to lock. Just so you know, if you're here, don't get paranoid. You can keep people out. And when you want to go outside, just unlock that. Just pull it on open. And just so you know, that air conditioner is gonna go off. I don't know how it knows. Oh, that's how. There's that little thing right there. That little magnetics connection right there turns off the AC. So if you have that door open, your AC is gonna go off.